Hey guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a tutorial on how to report a problem or incorrect information on Google Maps. So first of all, you click on Google Maps. Let's say you want to report an issue with this location. You click on it and then you click on maybe a photo you want to report. You click on the top right icon that signifies three dots. You click on it and then you click on report this photo. If you want to report a review, you click on the review section and then below the review, you click on the three dots again and then you click on report review. This will take you to where you can report. You select the section and then you go about your report on Google Maps. I hope this video has helped you out. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and stay tuned for more tutorials in the future.